In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inventory in Odoo. Whether you're setting up for the first time or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process to ensure your inventory is accurately managed, helping your business operate smoothly and efficiently. First, we'll begin by setting up the inventory module and any necessary warehouses. The inventory module in Odoo needs to be installed and activated before you can take full advantage of its features. To do this, you'll navigate to the Apps section, find the Inventory option, and simply click Install. Once that's done, you can start configuring it to fit your specific needs. Next, let's talk about creating your warehouse or warehouses. You'll do this by heading over to Inventory, then Configuration, followed by Warehouses. Here, you'll click Create to set up a new one. As you fill out the form, make sure to accurately specify details such as the name of the warehouse and its address. Also, you'll need to define any multi-step routes that your inventory will follow, such as receive, store, deliver. These routes outline the journey your products will take from the time they arrive till they are sent out to customers, helping maintain a seamless flow of goods. Once your warehouses are configured, we move on to adding products to your inventory. Click on Inventory, navigate to Products, then select Products again before you hit Create to add a new product. It's crucial to fill in all necessary details about each product. Start with the product name to easily identify items in your system. You'll need to set the product type, and remember, it must be set to storable product for inventory tracking purposes. This setting ensures Odoo tracks the product quantity. Don't forget to specify sales and purchase options, assign the product to a category, and provide a unique SKU. These fields are vital for keeping your inventory organized and accessible. In the next step within the Inventory tab, configuration is key. Decide on how you want to track your products, whether by lot, serial number, or otherwise, according to what fits your business best. Also, set the appropriate routes for each product. These might include options like buy, make, to order, or manufacture. This flexibility allows your inventory system to adapt to various business scenarios. Moreover, ensure that you set correct units of measure, often referred to as UOM, both for sales and purchases. This is especially important if there are differences between the two. If you deal with advanced conversions, such as selling products individually while buying them in larger boxes, you'll need to set up UOMs and their conversion ratios. Configure these through Inventory, then Configuration, followed by Units of Measure. And that's it. By the end of this process, your Odoo inventory will be robust, organized, and ready for action. Proper inventory management not only enhances productivity, but also boosts customer satisfaction by reducing errors and delays. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful on your journey to mastering inventory management in Odoo.